Hello everyone. At this parallel session of the Second International Conference on Technology and Educational Science 2020, held by the Faculty of Educational Science at Universitas Pendidikan Genesha, my team and I are going to present our paper entitled The Effect of Guest Lectures and Online Discussion Forum Towards Students' Communication Competencies on English for Educational Technologies course. Please introduce. My name is Luputu Putrini Mahadewi, and my team member is Mr. Ketut Pudjawan. We are from Universitas Pendidikan, Genesha. This paper is written based on our current research conducted in the Department of Educational Technology. The background of the research was the rapid development of information communication and technology, especially in 4.0 industrial revolution era, has brought many impacts on every aspect of human's life, including in education. One of the impacts is learning can be conducted anytime and anywhere through online learning setting. Despite of the high potential ability of ICT development can bring, strategies to deliver online class remain hold important roles to the successful of online learning. So far, many face-to-face learning strategies have been deployed, but limited online learning strategies were implemented to teach students in online classes at the Department of Educational Technology, Universitas Pendidikan Genesha. Online lecturing in the form of text explanation on learning management system is the most frequent learning strategy to be used in online setting. Based on the interviews with lecturers and students, it was found out that students felt the lack of social presence in the online class. The students stated that the online class activities were monotone by the use of text, so quiet, and sometimes boring. This leads student cognitive presence and their communication competencies. Because of it, effective online learning strategies are needed. In order to find effective online learning strategies, research on the effectiveness of online learning strategies is urgent. The research goal was to test the effect of guest lectures and online discussion forums towards students' communication competencies on English for Educational Technologies course. This is quasi-experiment research with post-test control group design. The subject of the research were 42 students who were taking English for Educational Technologies course. They were divided into two groups, experiment group and control group. The variables of the research are guest lectures, online discussion forum, and online lecturing are independent variables, and student communication competencies is dependent variable. The method to collect the data is test in the form of performance test. The instrument to collect the data is performance test rubric. The collected data were then analyzed by using descriptive technique and inferential statistical technique. From the chart, students' communication competency data in experiment group is higher than student communication competencies in control group. Further, inferential statistical technique was done. The results shows there was significant difference on student communication competencies between control and experiment groups. It means guest lectures and online discussion forum has significant effect towards students' communication competencies on English for Educational Technologies course. From the result, it can be discussed several points. Guest lectures and online discussion forum can bring social present dimension in online class. Students become highly motivated to learn the learning materials and actively involved in the discussion forums. It stimulates student engagement in online course as can be seen from their communication competencies. Huang et al. 2020 stated that social presence stimulates student cognitive presence. In conclusion, statistically, guest lecture and online discussion forum is effective to improve students' communication competencies on English for Educational Technologies course. The following recommendations were made. Thank you so much for your attention.